Time Business Essentials, and today we're going to talk about how to avoid an audit. No small business owner wants to go through an audit. Just the word audit probably makes you feel a little sick to your stomach and makes you cringe. Audits are time-consuming, they're extremely costly, and avoiding an audit should be something that you should try to do at all costs as a small business owner. While there's no way to guarantee that you will not be audited, there are some steps you can take so that you won't show up as a red flag or be triggering an audit as a small business. First and foremost, pay your quarterly estimated taxes. As a small business owner, you are required to pay quarterly taxes if your business is profitable. Just make those payments. It's simple, it's not that difficult to do. Make those payments and you'll stay under the radar with the IRS. The second step is to issue your 1099s and your W-2s on time. These must be issued by January 31st, and as long as you issue them on time, again, you will show no red flags for the IRS. The third step is do not mix your business and personal finances. Open a business bank account, make sure that you are running all of your business transactions through your business account, pay for your personal transactions through a personal account, and don't commingle those funds. Commingling those funds is a big red flag for the IRS. The next way to avoid an audit is that you should not show a loss in your business consistently year after year after year. You may have a year where your business legitimately has a loss. Some small business owners will tend to take personal deductions through their business, which will throw their business into a loss. This might save you on taxes, but be very careful of this because this will also trigger the IRS to take a closer look at your business finances. The next way that you can avoid an audit is to be careful of treating treating employees as contractors. Employees are people that you pay and you are telling them when they need to show up for work. You're saying you need to come in at 8 o'clock in the morning, you can leave at 5 o'clock in the morning, and 5 o'clock in the evening, and this is what you do throughout the day. A contractor is someone that you hire for a specific job. Say your computer needs to be repaired. This person will come in when they decide to come in, and they will repair your computer, and then they will leave. This is a contractor. If you pay your employees as contractors, this is a huge red flag to not only the IRS, but your state labor board, which can also conduct an audit on your business. So the fourth way to avoid an audit as a small business is to pay the officers of the company a reasonable salary. Inflated salaries for officers of the company will cause a red flag. Also, on the flip side, paying your officers too little will also cause a red flag. So a reasonable salary is quote unquote what the IRS requires. And while that's very unclear, your CPA can help you determine what a reasonable salary is for your industry. The fifth way to avoid an audit is to be very careful of travel and meal expenses. So travel expenses and meal expenses are definitely hot topics for the IRS. They will scrutinize these, and you need to make sure that they are actually legitimate travel and meal expenses. Keep your receipts for these expenses, as if you are audited, you will need to prove that these were legitimate business expenses. The next way that you can avoid an audit is to be very careful of deducting a home office. So home office, again, is something that the IRS looks at very closely. You need to have a dedicated space for a home office in order for it to be a deduction. If you are using your dining room table as your office, that is not a deduction. So again, you can deduct a home office, but just be sure you know the rules because this will be scrutinized by the IRS. So the last and final step to avoiding an audit is to have a clear and accurate set of books. We recommend that you use bookkeeping software and hire a professional to provide this set of books for you. It is just extremely important that you have a set of books for your business. So now let's summarize. These are the steps that you can take to avoid an audit. First and foremost, pay your taxes. Number 2, issue your 1099s and W-2s on time. Number 3, do not mix business and personal finances. 4th, pay your officers a reasonable salary. 5, be careful of travel and meals, make sure that they are actually business. 6, only deduct home office if you are following the IRS guidelines surrounding home office deductions. Number 7, do not show a loss year after year. Number 8, be careful of treating employees as contractors and misclassifying those categories. Number 9, hire a professional bookkeeper to provide a set of books for you. And if you didn't know, Incline Business Essentials is a professional bookkeeping service provider. So contact us for more information. I hope you learned some important tips about avoiding an audit. Make sure to like and subscribe for more information about the financial health of your business and to learn important bookkeeping tips for small businesses. I hope that you can avoid an audit for the life of your business.